back to the stitch along. I'm going to leave this tip in before the next part of the series. Now I got all the way to the end only to realize that I had skipped a part of the pattern, but I didn't realize it because the shirt fit me just nicely. So a consumer got a hold of me and said, you skipped the whole part. And what I've accidentally skipped on this sample is actually just growing out the front. So I've already put the sleeves, so I'm actually working on 2 of them. So what I've missed is adding just an additional rows along the one side here. So it will join to the next panel here. So I missed that on this sample, but I think because it fits me well, I think because there's a female form in the pattern itself, because I don't have to compensate for extra up here, I think that's why this fits. So what I would strongly suggest to you, which I will tell you in the next video, is that you may want to maybe just do it the first time through, of just doing 1, 2, and 3 of the add-on, do both sides of the panels, and then just use the bow tie join to join them together on the back section here and try it on to make sure that it's going to work. So this one here was using a different yarn, and so let me just try that on. I might leave that on this sample. This one has been customized for me, so it wasn't for you. But I was so amazed it fit me so well, because the model, it looks a little bit looser, and myself, I'm like, gee, that fits like a glove. So I will have to do the other panel. So I've already done the small size here. I might actually just leave that on there and do the other panel the same way. I'm just seeing where it's coming down along the back. I just don't want it to look sloppy. So the length is good. So I think I'm going to leave that on the sample. Okay, so I'm going to leave that with you in your capable hands, and we'll go for there. So, so I did miss it on the first time through. What can I say? Certified piece of work.